Hello guys, Sky here, and today I am going to share my experience with you about Jordan's 9 to 5 course. I came across Jordan's YouTube channel and it kind of spoke to me because I was already doing other methods to make money online, but I realized the revenue potential you can make with YouTube never really dawned at me that you could do this method. Okay, I purchased the advanced master course and right away I started noticing on my regular YouTube channel my views have gone up organically because in the advanced master course you learn SEO, you learn how to rank your videos, how to title them, how to and add keywords in the description, and just like that my views shot up quite a bit. Okay, I used his method on monetizing channels and I have been able to supplement my income way nicely more than 18 months or so on. The method works and it works so much I bought all his courses, the two YouTube course, one Shopify course, and build your own brand course. And I'm glad I found his courses and it really helped me to boost my income. I highly recommend the courses, and I want to say that the courses have so much value in them, no one can regret. According to me, you are doing a very good investment on yourself if you are going to buy this course.